mukbang eating show. Today we're here at Fiesta, Mexico, and I got me these Carna Asada fries. Now look at that. It has some cheese, some steak, some guacamole, and some sour cream. Sure smells delicious. I hope it just tastes as good as it smells. Now let's dig in, shall we? So we get a little bit of everything. So good. So there you go, food freaks. Some steak, some fries, some guacamole, some sour cream, and some cheese. So good. So delicious. Explosive. Definitely could taste every single thing in my mouth, and it's so good. Yummy. And a scale 1 to 10, I will give this babies a 9. For these to be a full 10, I would say it would need some chili beans. And I would definitely get rid of the sour cream. But it's still good. Yummy. Delicious. It's so good. Look at that, food freak. Yummy. So there you have it, food freaks. Some carne asada fries from Mexico Fiesta, only at Knott's. You gotta love it. Be sure to try them out if you're here for a visit. That's it for today, food freaks. Till next time we eat again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye, food freaks.